Captivate is such a fun event. It's kind of high octane.
Captivate is a must attend for anyone that is serious about succeeding in their business.
People should attend because they will walk away with exactly what to do to become more captivating.
My work felt good, but I wasn't seeing the results I wanted to see. I wasn't seeing the financial freedom that I wanted to see.
I started working with Suzanne, and as a matter of fact, I just celebrated my very first $50,000 month last month.
My business revenue has almost quadrupled as a result of listening and learning and implementing.
I was running a run rate about $7,000 a month. My last month was $18,000 a month, and that's just in a couple of months.
I have more time for myself. If you are ready to grow to the next level in your business, this is the event to go to.
It is an investment in yourself. It's going to bring you clarity.
We don't live that typical stressed out paycheck to paycheck life. Everybody should attend this event. Are you kidding? Bring your friends.